started and online learning is back. Are you also having a hard time staying awake during early morning online classes? Hi, I'm Coding Girl and I got a solution for that. With help from AI and machine learning, let me show you how we can fix this. Before we begin, watch my introduction to AI video if you're new to artificial intelligence and machine learning, and then come back to this video. I will be using PictoBlox throughout this video series. Okay, let's get started. As usual, we start by opening PictoBlox. Then click on Add Extension and select Machine Learning to enable that extension. We need an active internet connection for this tutorial. I'm going to train the computer to identify when I'm sleeping. We need to train a machine learning model for this. A model is a file that has been trained to recognize certain types of patterns using a set of data which we provided. Once a model is properly trained, we can use it to identify those same patterns in other data sets. Let's start by creating a model first by clicking on the Create Model button. Teachable Machine web page will be opened. This is where we create, train and test our machine learning models. This is one super awesome project, so don't forget to explore this site and see all the possibilities of machine learning. Okay, to enable the computer to detect when I'm asleep, we can either go with an image recognition or pose recognition project. But I found out that pose recognition works best in my case. You can try out both and see what works best for you. So, I'm going to select the pose project. It will give you a screen like this. On the left, you will see a list of classes or classification we have on our model. We can add as many as we need. For this example, I only need 2. Let me rename these to Awake and Asleep. Now we need to give some examples to the model about how I might look in each of these states. Let's start with Awake. We will be using the webcam to feed our images to the model for training. Click on the webcam buttons to start. So when I'm awake during an online class, I'll be looking at the screen and my head will be straight. Let's settle into that pose. Once you are ready, hold down the record button and pose different angles of how you would be awake listening to the online class. Close to 100 images will be enough. We can always add more images later and increase accuracy. Let's move on to the next state, which is sleeping. Normally, if I'm asleep, my head will be tilted to either front, left, back or right. So let's show the computer how I sleep. Do the same thing and record around the same number of images of different poses of you sleeping. Once you are happy with the sample poses you recorded, let's ask the model to have a look at them and train itself so it can classify among 2 poses correctly. Simply click the Train button in the middle and it will start learning. Remember not to switch tabs. Don't worry about privacy because these images will not leave your computer. Once the training is done, it will open up the preview section on the right. You will see how much confident the computer is about your current pose. Higher the rate, the better the model. So try different awake and sleeping poses and see if the model is accurate enough before moving to our next step. If it's not, repeat the steps by adding more sample poses to each class and training it again. Once you are happy with the model, click on the Export Model so we can use this in our PictoBlox project. Select the Upload option and upload model. You need to copy the URL of your model. Now let's go back to PictoBlox and click on Load Model. Select Pose or Model Type and paste the URL of your trained model and click Load Model. Now you will have a new set of blocks that we can use in our project. As usual, we need to add when start flag click. After that, we will open up the recognition window which will show us real-time updates of the model's output. Then we are going to continuously monitor our webcam input in order to detect my pose. So let's use a forever block. Using an if block, we can check if the identified class from webcam is asleep or not. If it is asleep, we need to play some sound and alert me so I can wake up and continue with my online learning session. We need to add a small delay so we don't use too much computer power for this. That's it. Let's give it a try. Pretty cool and useful, right? Now all I had to do is start this program and keep it in the background during my online classes. It will monitor my pauses and alert me if I fall asleep. Give it a try and let me know your thoughts. See you again with another AI and machine learning video. Bye bye.